PaxGenBio Company Limited was established in 2015 as a company that develops and distributes molecular diagnostic kits targeting infectious diseases and cancers. PaxGenBio applied chimeric technologies for molecular and immunodiagnostics. One of its original technologies, MPCR-ULFA, combines multiplex PCR amplification and universal lateral flow assay. This technology enables fast, affordable and easy nucleic acid tests for applications in low-resource settings. Main targets of our PaxGenBio MPCR-ULFA kits are SARS-CoV-2, human papillomavirus, tuberculosis, and sexually transmitted infectious diseases. Features of these kits are visual checkover results within 10 to 15 minutes. All PCR equipment can be used to cost-effectiveness, easy of use. PaxGenBio developed fastest SARS-CoV-2 real-time RT-PCR kit detecting the novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, by using one-step real-time RT-PCR in a single tube. Features of these kits is 1. One-step RT-PCR in a single tube. 2. High sensitivity and specificity. Limit of detection 5 copies reaction. 3. Runtime 50 minutes. 4. Accurate diagnosis regardless of SARS-CoV-2 variants. 5. Result report is served to lab by providing report program. PaxGenBio is striving for a world where human beings live a healthy life by developing more accurate and affordable molecular diagnostic kits.